Come on, guys, give me a little beat to it, man. One time we had this lady and she was working with a baby on her back. Where's she at?
With one hand. Yeah, more with one hand, right? For real.
Remember she was switching? Yeah, Kofi Bruce was here with us.
Yeah, she had the baby on her back with one hand.
See? And as a matter of fact, you can go back to the previous videos, you'll see the baby on the back and she was switching.
One hand, strong lady.
And throughout the whole day, nobody could outdo that lady with the baby on her back. Ashanti woman, very strong, right? Come on, Cliff, put some Caribbean power into that thing. Show them how we do it in the islands. Pound. Show them how our island man gets strong. Greetings, my brother. I think you're coming out with a bowler. Are you coming out with a bowler? He's like, no. See, sometimes everybody thinks it's a joke. You know, it's not serious. So just start the madness journey with us. Put some muscle into it. Bang, bang, bang.
No. We form it this way. It's one after the other. That becomes like a radio. If the woman is here with her one hand, baby at the back, and she'll be singing and pounding this.
So, you know, maybe they're making their bowler in there. Maybe not. I don't know. Maybe I'm crazy.
Okay, now from here, they will collect it, set fire. Those are empty pots. It's not being heated. So they set fire and put it in the pots, add water, and leave it to boil for a whole day. Now when it boils, then after that they'll put it down and separate the chaff from the water. By boiling, the chemical moves from the water palm into the water, and then they use this to separate it. So when they separate it, I like it. Okay. You see, come and check.
That's the coloring?
That's the color. This is the first one. You see, this is the color of the first one. And this is brown. They'll put it down to cool. Then after cools, when it cools down, then they will put it on fire again for a second time. And then the color keep on changing. You cannot let it boil, but you have to put it down. And then the water will come, go down. Yeah. Now this one they are putting it on fire, and we're going to use this one. So that is how it's a natural thing, very natural. No chemicals at all.
And that's all just from that wood farm.
And that's what get from the wood farm.